Comparatives and superlatives. Comparatives and superlatives are used in English to compare the differences or similarities between two or more things or people. Comparatives are used to compare two things or people. They are formed by adding er to the end of the adjective, or by using the word more before the adjective. For example, the cat is smaller than the dog. The car is more expensive than the bicycle. Superlatives. Superlatives are used to describe the highest degree of something or someone. They are formed by adding est to the end of the adjective, or by using the word most before the adjective. For example, the elephant is the largest animal in the world. The pizza is the most delicious food I have ever tasted. There are some exceptions, though. There are some adjectives that do not follow these rules. For example, good becomes better in the comparative form and best in the superlative form. Another example is bad, which becomes worse in the comparative form and worst in the superlative form. My brother is better at maths than I am. This is the worst movie I have ever seen. It's important to note that comparatives and superlatives are often accompanied by the words than and in to show the comparison. The blue shirt is more expensive than the green shirt. The blue shirt is the most expensive shirt in the store. As we looked at the exceptions, let's go through them again. Good would become better, and in superlative it would become best. Well will remain the same. Bad becomes worse and worse. Ill or badly will remain the same, while far would become farther and farthest. Remember, the pronunciation of father and farther may sound similar, but they are two different words. Little would become lesser or least, while many would become more.